How to create a YouTube account. Okay, so go to the youtube.com website, and if you're not already logged in, on the top right hand corner, click on sign in. On the next window, Google will ask you to choose an account. Now, if the account that you want to log in with or to create a YouTube account with is not here, click on use another account. Okay, so type in the account that you want to create a YouTube channel with. Click on next. Create a password for it and click on next. Okay, so once you've signed in onto your YouTube with the Gmail that you want to create an account with, click on the top right hand corner icon. It will probably have a different initial depending on the name that you have set up with your Gmail. And on the top right hand side menu, you'll see where it says create a channel. So click on that. This little colorful window pops up and it just click on get started. Now, if you want to create a YouTube channel where you put on content, and at some point in time you want to monetize it and so forth, and you want to have a custom name different from your Google name, then I suggest you click on select on the right hand side. So create a name for your YouTube channel. Click on the disclaimer, click on create. If you just scroll down here and just click on set up later, congratulations, you have created your YouTube channel.